In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download code from Bolt.New. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a clean copy of your project files to your computer with just a few clicks. First, open your browser and head to Bolt.New. Make sure you're signed into the correct account that has access to the project you want. Once the dashboard loads, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Projects. This is your central place for everything you've worked on or have access to. At the top of the projects page, use the Search for a Project field. Start typing the project name or a distinctive keyword. As you type, the list will update to show matching results. This is the fastest way to zero in on the exact project, especially if you have a long list. If you manage multiple workspaces, double-check that you're in the right one before proceeding. When you see the project you want, click it to open the workspace. Give it a second to load, especially if it's a larger project. Once you're in, look to the very top of the page and click the project name in the header. That opens the project menu where export options live. It's easy to overlook, so aim right for the title area rather than the side menus. In the menu that appears, hover over Export. This reveals the available export actions tied to your project. From there, click Download. Bolt will begin preparing your files. Depending on the size of the project, this may take a moment. When it's ready, your browser will start downloading a package, typically a zip archive, that contains your project's code. Keep an eye on your browser's download indicator. By default, most browsers save downloads to the Downloads folder unless you've chosen a custom location. If you're prompted to allow the download, confirm it. Once it completes, you'll have a neatly packaged snapshot of your project source ready to use locally, share with a teammate, or archive for safekeeping. A few helpful notes as you work. The downloaded archive generally includes your source files and project structure, but it won't include account-level secrets or environment variables you may have configured online. Those stay secure in the platform, so plan to set them up locally if you intend to run the project on your machine. If you run into permissions issues, verify that you have access to the project and that you open the correct one before trying again. And that's all there is to it. Open Bolt, head to Projects, search for your project, open it, click the project name at the top, hover over Export and choose Download. Simple, quick, and reliable.